Hello, welcome to Chapter 11, Lesson 5. Today we're going to be talking about customary units of weight. Weight of an object is how heavy it is. The customary units of weight are ounce, abbreviated OZ, pound, LB, and ton, T. An ounce is about the weight of a strawberry, a smaller strawberry, not like one of those humongous strawberries we've been getting from the grocery store lately. A pound is about how much a pineapple weighs. And then a ton is about how much a small car weighs, which is 2,000 pounds. Okay, let's get started. All right, so Susie's father brought some sugar for their favorite recipe. What is a more reasonable unit to use for the weight of a bag of sugar? Ounces or pounds? A small packet of sugar would be weighed in ounces, right? Like if you're at the or at a restaurant, they have those little like little packets of sugar. That would be ounces. But a bag of sugar would be weighed in pounds because it's pretty heavy. What's the most reasonable estimate for the weight of a leaf? 1 ounce, a strawberry, a pound, a ton, or 10 tons. About an ounce, right? We know that. Paper airplane, 4 ounces, 40 ounces, definitely not 4 pounds, definitely 100% not 4 tons, at 4 ounces, I'd say. About 4 strawberries is a paper airplane. All right, a helicopter is going to be very, very heavy. So would it be 500 cars heavy or 5 cars heavy? I'm going with 5 cars heavy. Sounds about like how much a helicopter would be. A rabbit. I'd go with 4 pounds. Pounds, I would say, for rabbits. Does an object that is small always weigh less than an object that is large? No. What about like a bowling ball versus a large piece of paper? Right? Size doesn't really matter on weight. It's actually its density that matters the weight. So, no. An object that's small does not always weigh less than an object that is large. Depends on its density. Choose the best estimate for the weight of each object. An elephant's going to be very heavy. Heavier than an airplane or a helicopter. I guess, because that's too small, and that's too small. Heavier than a helicopter. How about that? A scooter would be about, I'd say about 7 pounds. 7 pineapples, sure. A dump truck, definitely not ounces or pounds, 20 tons. Whoa. And a pair of heart sunglasses, I would say that'd probably be 8 ounces, right? Because it's pretty light. Probably not 80 strawberries worth, but 8 of them, I'd say that's about it. Okay, draw lines to match each object to its reasonable weight. A textbook. Okay, a whale. Let's look at the biggest thing. A whale or a car? We've got 40 tons and we've got 1.5 tons. I'm going to go car, 1.5 tons, because that was kind of our thing, was a car is about a ton. Okay, a whale is the biggest thing up here. So yeah, a whale is 40 tons? Yikes, that's crazy to think about. Okay, the smallest thing up here, the lightest weight, I'm talking about weight, right, is a golf ball. I could see that being 2 ounces. Okay, so we've got a can of soup or a textbook. Let's say a can of soup is 1 pound, because I feel like that would weigh less than a textbook. Like those big math textbook that's hardcover and everything. I would say that would probably be about 5 pounds. Jesse claims that his 3 goldfish weigh about 4 pounds together. Is Jesse's claim reasonable? No, I would not say so. Pounds are pretty heavy. I would guess that Heavy, I would guess that a goldfish is around would say a couple ounces. Somewhere in there. Okay. Alan has a 1-foot cube of foam. He claims that it weighs about 2 pounds since it's the size of 2 pineapples. Is Alan's claim reasonable? No. Size has nothing to do with weight. Right? Foam is less dense than a pineapple, so it probably weighs less. Write a definition for the term weight. Weight is how heavy something is. Okay, order the units of weight from greatest to least. Okay, so the biggest is ton. Then it is pound. Then it is ounces. Which animal's weight is closest to a pound? Mosquito? No way. Ant? No way. Lion? No way. So, must be about a robin. Would be about a pound. All right, that's all I have for you for today. Luckily today we don't have to do any converting, but guess what tomorrow will bring? We'll see you tomorrow. Bye.